Yo, what's going on YouTube? This is TechnicallyTee here, and today I'm bringing you another case review for the iPhone 10. Now, today what we have is the Nomad clear case. Now, if you've been following my channel, you've known I did an unboxing and review of some other Nomad cases that Nomad actually sent out to me, but for some reason it did not include the clear case, and this is one of my favorite cases that Nomad makes. So I walked over to Best Buy, bought it straight out. So I decided to get it because I did want to use it for myself. I wasn't going to do an unboxing video, but then I remembered that Nomad didn't include this when they actually sent me some case review units. So I said, let me go pick it up myself because I do want to run this as my daily because I love this case for the iPhone 8 Plus. Now, even though I no longer have the iPhone 8 Plus, when I did have it, using it as my secondary device, I started to use this case and I absolutely loved it. So I decided to go ahead and pick it up for the iPhone 10. But if you didn't see that case, here it is, guys, Nomad. If you don't know about Nomad, you need to get to know them, guys, because they make some excellent cases for sure. So on the back, it's basically a little bit of a two-kind case. It's a clear case on one side. On the bottom half, well, more than half of the case, it actually has leather on it. And as you can see here, originally it comes that day one rich leather, and it says day 100. As you see, the case will develop that nice patina color that we all love when it comes to genuine leather style cases. But let's go ahead and get it out of the packaging and let's see how it looks. Always very nice and premium package from Nomad. Always very nice packaging. So here it is, the actual case itself. So this is the Nomad clear case, as you can see, and mine already out the box had a little scratch on it, but it is what it is. When I look at them at Best Buy, all of them have some type of scratches on them. I feel like people in the store opens them and does it on purpose, in my opinion, but this was the best one that I could find. So on the right side, guys, you get your raised up power button. On the bottom, you get your cutout for your lightning adapter and your speaker cutout. Left volume up, volume down, cutout for your mute toggle. And on that back, you do have your cutout for your camera and your flash. Like I said, top half clear case, bottom half actually a nice brown leather color, and it doesn't, this is the only color that it comes in from from what I can remember. This is the only color that this case comes in, but it is a beautiful color. On the sides of it, you see it, guys, it's actually nice and frosted. So that may really help with the grip when it comes to this case, but it does have a nice frosted side here. And on the inside, as you can see, Nomad Horween leather from US, assembled in China, as you know, but very nice leather, very nice feel. It is the real deal when it comes to the leather. So let's go ahead and pop it on the iPhone 10 and see how it actually fits. And I already know if it was anything like anything else, it actually fits very good if I remember from the iPhone 8 Plus. So let me swipe some fingerprints off real fast. And let's go ahead and get into it. So here it is on the iPhone 10. Very nice case. Like I said, I'm planning on using this as my daily driver right now. I know a lot of you guys ask me what I'm using for my daily driver, and currently I'm actually using the Spec Presidio grip, but I've been really thinking about this case, and like I said, I went and picked it up, and I plan on using this case as my daily driver. So let's look around the case. So on that right side, you have a nice tactile volume button, power button, no issues there. On to that bottom side, your cutouts are spot on, no issues there as well. Popping the unlock on the phone real quick. Volume up, volume down, nice and tactile, no issues there. Flip it over on the back side, you have your cutout for your camera and flash, and as you can see, it is recessed in there, so you're good when you actually lay this phone on the desk. Next, let's look at the lay on the table protection, guys. Now, as you can see, I do run a tempered glass screen protector, and looking at it on camera, it's kind of always hard to see the lay on the table protection, but it does offer a tiny lip that goes all the way around the phone, so you should be good. It really is not rated for anything drop protection related, but I think you'll be good in the event that you do drop this phone. It does have a tiny lip to save you there. Next, how does it actually fit on the phone? And this Nomad case, like any other Nomad case, fits like a glove. As you can see, no sides really bend. There's a little give down here when you're talking about right by the lightning adapter, but it is not bad at all. The sides are completely perfect. No giving whatsoever. Once this case snaps in, it is in, very hard to get off, fits like a glove. So excellent fit when it comes to the Nomad clear case. Next, how does it feel in your hand? And holding it in the hand, it does not feel slippery. If you guys know me, you know I'm usually not a fan of any type of clear cases, but holding this in the hand, the clear case is right near the threshold where I would normally feel like it'd be slippery in my hand, but instead here I have the leather to grip on alongside with those frosted corners, and it actually feels very good in my hand, and it does not feel like it's actually going to fall out of my hand. Keeps the phone very, very thin, does not add too much bulk, so that's always a good thing for my people who don't like to run cases because they add a tons of bulk, but does fit pretty good. And last but not least, let's see if it works with the wireless charger, which you probably already know. Yes, it does work with wireless charging. So guys, this is the Nomad clear case for the iPhone 10. Now this case will run you $39.99. I wouldn't pick mine up at Best Buy, but I'm not sure how much this costs on their actual website. I think it's actually $39.99 as well on their website. So we're looking at a $40 case, but what you get for that $40, I feel like is well worth it. The quality of this case is A1. But as always, guys, I will leave that link to this product down in the description below. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Later.